హలో! నమస్తే. వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు 360. నేను వీణా సాధినేని. సినిమాలు చూస్తున్నప్పుడు ఎవరైనా హీరోయిన్ మనకి బాగా నచ్చితే వెంటనే అనుకుంటాం గర్ల్ నెక్స్ట్ డోర్ అని చెప్పి. కానీ ఈ హీరోయిన్‌ని మనం చూసామంటే గర్ల్ నెక్స్ట్ డోర్ కాదు. ఆ గర్ల్ మన ఇంట్లో అమ్మాయి లాగానే కనిపిస్తుంది. తనే సప్తమి గౌడ. కొన్ని రోజుల్లో 'తమ్ముడు' అనే మూవీతో రాబోతుంది. ఆ విశేషాలేంటో సప్తమి గౌడ గారిని కనుక్కొని తెలుసుకుందాం. నమస్తే అండి.
నమస్తే.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
బాగున్నారు.
అమ్మ తెలుగు. ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఆఫ్
యెస్.
గెట్టింగ్ ఇంప్రెస్డ్.
నువ్వెలా ఉన్నారు?
నువ్వెలా ఉన్నావు? బాగున్నాను నేను కూడా. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. సో, తమ్ముడు,
Hmm.
హౌ మచ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రిలేటెడ్ టు యూ?
I think it was a journey of started at 2 years ago. I think Kantara Tarvata, Venu Sriram sir he said there's this script that they're working on. They've written, he had already written Ratna's character by then. So he called me in 2023, the look test happened. And 24 August, we started the shooting. So it's been like a 2 years journey, waiting. I've been patiently waiting to see, and finally 4th of July we're going to be there in the theaters.
Yes, yes. Even we are excited to see you on screen because
Yes.
Kantara made us, expectations go like high.
Correct.
And you were so damn
Thank
very, not every actor feel in that position.
Thank you.
That attire, that
Yes.
forest guard, right?
Yes, correct.
So how did you get that opportunity? How come you, audition and all happens, right?
No, audition didn't happen at that time. That time there was one reel that Rishabh sir had seen of mine on Instagram, and then he thought, okay, probably she'll suit the character. And before that, one of my debut movie in Kannada, Popcorn Monkey Tiger with Dolly Dhananjay. So there was one particular dialogue that had gone viral from the movie. So after that, there was one reel that he saw, and he thought, okay, she might suit the character. And then he called me, after which, we did a look, again same, we did a look test, we did audition, we did a lot of workshops for that character. That's how that character came
Okay.
through.
What is that one dialogue?
Oh, from Popcorn Monkey Tiger, it's a very it's between a husband and a wife. They keep fighting, and my introduction dialogue only starts with that. So I'm abusing my husband basically in that. So I'll say, ಅವಳು ಯಾವಳಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ಗೇನ್ ಸೀನಾ, ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡಕ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಅಯ್ಯಯ್ಯೋ.
Yeah, it's like that. So it's very loud. The character is very loud. The character name was Girija.
Mhm.
So it's very, very loud. After Girija, then Leela character happened in Kantara. And now as Ratna, I'm going to be in a straight Telugu film.
Girija, Leela, Ratna.
Yeah.
So, like
Relatable
ఊరిలో
names.
very
Yeah.
relatable, చాలా దగ్గరైన. అందుకనే we own you so much.
Thank you.
And Kannada industry,
Yes.
if you see,
Yes.
సౌందర్య గారు,
Yes.
అనుష్క గారు,
Yeah.
రష్మిక,
Yes.
నిత్య మీనన్,
Yes.
పూజా హెగ్డే,
Yeah.
everyone came and ruling the
Deepika-
Telugu industry.
Deepika Padukone,
of
yeah,
course,
yeah.
she is international right
Yes.
now. So, what is your take on it?
I think if the audience accept us that well and give us so much love, we can also cross all kinds of boundaries and oceans and do great in the job that we're doing. So I'm also waiting for that kind of love, so that all the andaru Telugu audience give me that kind of love on 4th of July. Waiting to entertain you in more and more cinemas and more characters.
See, Telugu industry people,
Yes.
we own people so much.
Yes.
If the character is good,
Yeah.
if you are,
If you've done well, yes.
that one film
Yes.
will make you stand
Correct.
in where
I
you
agree,
don't even
agree.
know.
I think that happened with Kantara also, because even though Kantara was a straight Kannada film, and then after dubbing it and releasing it in Telugu, the amount of love that I've received from Telugu people was enormous. So thanks for that, and hopefully come back to the theaters to watch me in a straight, as a Telugu amma in a straight Telugu film.
రత్న.
Yes, as Ratna.
యా, కాంతారా మూవీలో రిషబ్ శెట్టి గారితో చేశారు కదా.
Mhm.
హౌ డిడ్ ఇట్ హ్యాపెన్? ఎలా అనిపించింది ఆయనతో వర్క్ చేయడం?
It was, mostly I was very prepared because of the workshops that we had done previously. So a lot of ADs, and so based on my character, my language and everything, we had done a lot of workshops. So going on the sets had become much easier, and even on the sets with all the other characters, with all the other artists, we had a lot of rehearsals that we used to do.
Mhm.
So because of that, everything was easy.
Okay.
And
How many days you have rehearsed for Kantara?
no, so I had a workshop for about 2 weeks, and then every day on the set before the scene we had a rehearsal.
Okay.
So that the the camera angles, the lighting, everything could be set. We used to have so many people on set, so because of that we used to have a rehearsal always. So that
Okay.
helped a lot.
So when it comes to movie, Kollywood and Tollywood, two different industries. You worked in both the industries. What is the one difference you found?
As a sandalwood.
Okay.
Sandalwood.
Okay, yeah.
So I
Sorry.
think not much of a difference other than the language, because I've been very grateful and happy that I've worked with great directors and production houses, both, even be it in the Kannada industry or in the Telugu industry. I've been blessed to work with great technicians, great production houses, everybody. So I think there's not much of a difference that I found other than the language, because the working styles, everything mostly similar everywhere. Both
Cinema
the
is
industry,
cinema.
yeah, like they're very hardworking. Yeah, and now, like for example, with Tamudu, there's a lot of people from Bangalore actually. So Ajnish, our music director, is from Bangalore. One of the villains is from Bangalore. Varshava is from Bangalore, and Fight Master Vikram Master, he's from Bangalore. So and in Kannada industry, in the films that I'm working with, a lot of people are from Hyderabad. So it's like a crossover for me. So I
Okay.
have people working here and there. So like I don't find like that much of a difference.
సెట్స్ లో ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్ లో మాట్లాడుకునే వాళ్ళు?
So with the Vikram Mo Master, I used to talk in Kannada only. When he used to do the action sequence, it was much easier. Otherwise, with like Venu sir and all, it was English. Yeah, because suddenly I will, because the main thing is he used to give instructions. So I had to follow those instructions to the T. So for him to, I was comfortable in getting those instructions in English. So he used to
Okay,
talk to
okay.
me in English.
సో కాంతారాకి రిహార్సల్స్ 2 వీక్స్ పట్టింది.
Yes,
మరి
yes.
దీనికి ఏమైనా రిహార్సల్స్ జరిగాయా తమ్ముడికి?
For this, so they've given my dialogues previously, so I'd learned all of my dialogues, everything I was
By
prepared.
hearted.
Yes, everything. I wrote down all my dialogues. I practiced all my dialogues. I knew all my dialogues before I went to the set. And when it comes to rehearsals on the set, uh, because I was shooting in a very small space, it was a very small closed space. So because of that, we used to have a rehearsal so that I know where I can move, where I can sit. So how the so we used to,
Position
yeah,
of
yeah.
your
So
angle.
there were two cameras constantly that were shooting me at once throughout the shoot. So and one camera cannot overlap the other one. So when I move, so how the gimbal also had to move, how the other camera had to be placed. So for all of that, we used to have a rehearsal.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Yeah, it
much.
was very, very specific. Sir, Venu sir was very specific with how my costume should be. So the same costume trials with different kind of jewelry I've tried about 4-5 times. And then how my anklet should be. I have a tattoo in the movie, where the tattoo should be placed, and what, how it should be written, like the script basically, how it should be written. What is the bottu I should put? What is the chain I'll be wearing? Each and everything, color of the, if I'm wearing the langa davni, the davni's color, what it was, everything was very particular. It was very specific about it. And in the shoot on the set, there's a chair. So if the chair has to be placed like this, like that, how I'll sit, very,
Okay.
very specific.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Knowing all this, it's not just about acting. You
No,
should know
no.
every
Yeah.
thing. Like
I
what
think
technique.
one scene was there where I walk around in that space a lot. We were trying to do that, the entire thing in a single shot.
Mhm.
By the time I was done with the shot, like my brain had stopped working, because I had to move in a certain way, stop in a certain position. If I move a little more, like 3-4 centimeters, just a little bit more than that, the camera focus would change and then I would go out of focus. So
Oh.
it had to be, I had to stop at that exact point, turn at that exact second, continue with the dialogue. So by the end, Guhan sir came and said, your brain stopped working, no? Like you were mentally exhausted. I said, sir, if we had done another 2 takes, I would have forgotten the dialogue, I would have forgotten everything.
Oh.
So it was, a few of these scenes like that. Yeah, as an actor, I found it very interesting that
So
I could
you
do
just
it.
said you took a single shot,
Yeah,
that
yeah,
one.
yeah, yeah.
So what is the highest number of takes you took for one scene?
I usually what happens is when it's longer scenes, my takes are very, very small. Where some chore to take, I'd have taken more. I think probably 5 takes or 6 takes, I think would have been. There was one particular shot coming out of I come out of the
Forest?
door. I come
Okay.
out of the door and then I have to talk to somebody. So there was one, but not door. I've already come out. I'm standing and I'm talking to that one person there. So when I'm standing and talking to one guy, there was one small, very minute expression that's the change that sir wanted. So that change, I think I took about 5, 6 takes. That was the most that I took.
Oh, 5, 6 takes is
Yeah.
more. That is less only for
Yeah,
us.
okay. Yeah, that was the
Okay.
most.
So while you're talking, you're showing the tattoos and
Yeah,
all,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
I saw one tattoo.
I have
What is it?
two. So this, I traveled to Greece once. I think back in 2018 with my cousin sister, just the both of us. After I came back, I got this done. It means create, explore, and learn. It's Greek glyphs. So these
Oh,
are those
okay.
symbols, and I have one more here. That's both my sister and I have matching tattoos. It's
Oh,
both. So she has it on her left hand. So if we stand, it's next to each other. Yeah.
connecting.
So there's a heart connecting. So as kids, my mother used to braid my hair like this. Yeah, like long jade she used to put, and for my sister, 2 ponies.
Okay.
So that's why we have both of
That's
us
so
have it.
sweet.
Yeah,
You are so connected with your
yeah,
sister,
yeah.
like
Both
best
of us
friends.
are. We fight, of course, we do fight a lot. We fight for the tiny things like clothes or shoes or something like that. But
As usual.
yeah, as
I
usual.
mean,
But I think, yeah, we are very connected. We share everything. We like if something if she more than me, she's not very emotional. But if she sees me getting emotional, she can't take it. She starts crying. She finds it very difficult to see me being affected.
yeah.
So if I'm sad or something happens to me, she starts
Because you
crying.
are almost connected.
Yeah. She starts crying like that, and she will never, like, sometimes when we're out with friends or family, I would have said something. I would be like, go something. I will say. She will in front of like anybody, if anybody is there, she will nowhere fight or back answer, or she won't do all of that. She never back answers me in front of anybody.
Oh,
Yeah, she's very, very careful about all of that. So
that's
she's
so
very mature. She just finished her MBBS.
okay.
Yeah.
Is she coming to
No,
industry by
she's a little
any-
shy. She's a little introvert that way.
Okay.
She doesn't enjoy much of that. But yeah, she's a doctor. She's going to continue being a
One
doctor.
in your family, so one is actor, one
Actor.
is
Yeah,
doctor.
yeah,
On
yeah.
film. So when it comes to movie, you must have feared or felt nervous first time in
Mhm.
camera. How did you felt, and what is your first experience in front of
Uh,
camera?
when I did my debut in Kannada, I was actually not scared. I don't know for what reason, but I wasn't scared of the camera or anything. Suri sir was my first director. I have to be very thankful. I think he that fear of facing the camera I didn't have because of him. He was very comfortable. He did not even tell me what it is. Like he said, "Don't worry. This is what you need to do. This is your scene. You just have to be there and you have to pray." And then he was the one who first, because nobody is from the industry in my family. I don't know technicalities. Like when I came into the industry, I did not know what wide lens meant, what mid or anything was. So when he was the one who said that they changed it to the close up lens, and then he came and he said, in close up, the camera can see what the eyes can't. So, which is actually very true, because in real life, nobody comes this close and
closer.
talks to you, but the camera can capture up until there. So, he said the close up cameras, even a slight eye movement, people might not notice it in general life, but the camera will. So, that's when you have to be, more cautious, because the camera notices what others won't. So I think that's something that I learned. And after that, I've never had the fear of, since a kid
Camera.
also, I had stage fright or anything. So I
Okay.
think that helped.
How did you enter or make this a career path?
So it wasn't like by choice. I was always interested to be a part of it, but like had no clue or idea as to how to do that. Suri sir was actually one of my dad's. He used to come to my dad. So my dad's a retired superintendent of police. So he used to come to. He used to do a lot of cinemas based on crime. So to get the reality of how a cop does investigation, he used to come to my dad. So he seen me as a kid. So once this character was written, he asked my dad, there's this character. Would you, want, like, will you ask, make
If
Saptami
she's
do it if she's interested? So my dad said, yeah, let her try. I mean, if she has it in her, let's try if she can do it. And that's how I entered into the industry.
Okay. Did you
And
train yourself like any acting courses,
no,
theaters or
nothing,
something? You just
nothing. I
directly
just very blindly, very innocently,
blessed. Luckily.
not knowing anything. Like I said, nothing. I did not know what lens is used for what, lights, nothing. I've learned everything on the job. I know I have a lot more to learn. And like while working with directors like this, like with Venu
Venu.
Sriram sir and all of that, I get to learn a lot of all of these. So and through the process of filmmaking, being a part of cinema, I've learned everything.
What is the one challenging thing you like you find in on set, like in Canada or here?
I think getting ready. I think it's the most difficult. If you ask me to come stand in front of the camera, act and go, I will. But that process of getting ready, because if the shot is at 9 o'clock, then we go to the set by 7, because it'll take that much time to get ready, especially if the character requires, additional kind of look that we need. So that it takes that long. And then to get there at 7, we wake up at 6. And if the call time is at 6, then because if we're doing outdoor shoots, call time is usually at 6. So with Tamuru, call time was 6. So I used to wake up at 3:34 and get ready and go for the first shot every day. So I think that's the most difficult part of anything.
Oh my god, you yourself saying, think of Kamal Hassan, sir,
Yeah,
Rishabh
I mean,
Shetty, sir.
I appreciate all of them. That, I mean, it's a part of our job. Like, if you ask me what's difficult, I mean, putting makeup is our job. I agree
Okay.
completely. But I think that's because that would be something that is, especially when you have to sit patient. I am very, very fidgety. That's the problem.
Acha.
I move a lot. Like, if they ask me to close my eyes and sit when they're doing the eye makeup, I can
You'll
be
be
there
like-
for like 10 seconds and then I'll want to open one eye. So I'm just little fidgety. So that's the reason it's difficult for me to sit there for 2 hours. Otherwise, if I could sleep, I would have slept for 2 hours happily on the chair. I can't. That's
Yeah.
the problem.
This is not your chosen path
Yes, yes.
by
Yeah.
listening all your
Yeah.
words. When it comes to your career,
Mhm.
what did you thought of?
So I just finished my civil engineering. I'd worked for 9 months in Accenture. So I thought that after that I will go to. I was going to write. I'd written my GRE. So the day that Suri sir came and all of that happened, I'd written my GRE. I was going to go for my MS in construction management. So I was
Mhm.
planning to do my MS in construction management. So that was that's what I thought I'll do.
But
Then then the first cinema came, and then lockdown happened, and then Kantara happened, and then a series of cinema
Fate
came.
changed.
Yeah, everything changed.
everything changed. Are you happy with what?
Very, very, very happy.
you're
Yes, I
happy?
love my job. I love doing what I do.
Okay. So I just saw the trailer while
Mhm,
when
mhm,
you
mhm,
arrived here.
mhm.
So I saw one dialogue, 80,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
typical slang.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
How did you get it? Like,
So
what is the dialogue also?
I mean, I can't tell the whole thing, but
Because it's already released. It's in trailer.
where I'm saying.
On call, you will be saying 80, 80.
Yeah. I think so. The dubbing wasn't done by me
Mm-hmm.
for the movie. Somebody else did the dubbing, like because of the slang. Basically, because of the slang.
Acha.
Yeah. So I said I wanted to try, but then almost Sir keeps telling me that they've when they do casting for some characters, they have a hard time.
Yeah.
He said for casting also I did not take so much time as much as time I took to select a dubbing artist for the voice. Almost 55-60 people they have asked to dub for my character,
Oh.
for the slang to sit. After that, one person from Chennai, she came and she dubbed.
Mhm.
So somebody else has dubbed this time, so probably next time I can do it.
Okay.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah.
I really wanted to try this time also,
Okay.
but yeah, my character is very, it's fun, you'll enjoy it in the theater.
Mhm. Because in Leela also you
Yeah,
are a
there is
village
slang.
girl.
Yes, yes,
Here
yes.
also a village
Yes.
girl.
Even here, like when my dialogues when I was learning all of that, the slang is like for when you're talking here, normally you say cheppandi. There, that is in the slang that I've used there in the movie is like seppandi. So it's that. It's like
Okay.
etra seppandi. It's like that. So that's the slang that has
Please
come
talk
through.
more. Please talk more.
I mean, if I talk, I'm scared I tell off my introduction dialogue and all of that. So that's like basically like I'm then sudledra yetra, like that, like like that
Typical village
like
slang.
that even that that all of that, that's the
Yeah,
slang that's
that's
been
swing
used.
on the slang.
Yes, yes.
So, you worked Kannada,
Yes.
Kantara.
Yes.
Here, Tammudu.
Yes.
Both are like, the background of Tammudu?
I
It's
mean
a
with
movie.
Pavan Kalyan,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
And I know about
Did you
that.
watch the movie?
No, I haven't watched it before, but I know everybody keeps telling me that it was a proper out and out entertainment,
So
mass
very.
masala kind of a
It's
cinema.
a not kind of a mass masala, but it is a swag kind of a movie.
Yeah, like full
Pavan
entertainment.
Kalyan sir's
Yes.
swag ఒక మెట్ ఎక్కేసింది ఆ మూవీ
Yeah.
అసలు
I know
యూత్ కనెక్టెడ్
everybody.
సో మచ్ యూ
Yes.
షుడ్ వాచ్
Yeah,
దట్
everybody's told me that. So
మూవీ
when
Didn't Nitin tell you to watch it?
no, so the thing is, I haven't spent much time with Nitin Garu on the set during the shoot.
Okay.
So we did not have a lot of conversation at that point of time.
Mhm.
So no, after that, during the shoot, when Sir told me, Venu Sir told me that Tammudu, like this. So there's also a connection. I don't know if they've shown it in the movie, but Ratna has a connection with that. Yeah, there's a small tiny connection with that. That's when Sir told me.
Acha,
That's when
okay.
Sir, I said, so what is this? Why is it here? That's when he narrated the story of that and how this
Okay.
is. I haven't
Too
I will
hard
watch.
to guess.
Yeah, I will watch it before the release for sure. I will. But that's when Sir narrated the entire, told me how all of this is like, what the swag is and how the people, like the boys of that time, were all imitating Pavan Sir at that time, and it created this, like the stylish, very
Yes.
like era during that time.
Nitin Garu is a very hardcore fan of
Yeah,
Pavan Kalyan.
the smallest time that I got to spend, he told me this. Even Venu Sir is a big fan of Pavan Kalyan Garu
He
and
did
Nitin.
Vakil Saab.
Yes. That I watched, and Nitin Garu also, that small time, he was saying, yeah, I'm a big fan of Pavan Kalyan Garu. He said, I love him. So he was also telling me that. I think, yeah,
Okay.
it all fell into place for, for them.
Mhm. So you've reached Tollywood right now.
Yes.
So when are you going to meet all the places and where we can see you later?
I think probably if everything falls into place in the next 6 months, I will finish another 2 more in Telugu.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, by then when I come for the next interviews, I will be talking to you in Telugu for sure. I
Okay.
will talk to you properly in Telugu. But yeah, and then a few of them I've heard in Tamil also. So probably that will fall into place.
Okay. Since you are saying your next movies are coming and
Mhm.
you are already ready to dub for yourself,
Mhm,
I'll
yes.
give you some dialogues. I'll
Okay.
repeat
Okay.
after me.
Okay,
Okay? I'll say.
Yeah.
Pushpa. Taggedele.
Pushpa. Teggedele.
Ah,
I
ah,
know
ah,
that.
ah, ah. Apt. More than me, you did correct.
I watched that thrice in the theater. That's why I enjoyed it so much.
Acha.
I enjoyed Pushpa too. Like I loved the movie. So yeah.
Okay. So another మొక్కే కదా అని పీకేస్తే పీక కోస్తా.
మొక్కే కదా అని పీకేస్తే పీకే కదా.
Pika Costa.
Pika Costa. What does that mean?
If you plug the plant, I'll,
Mo-
slit your throat.
So repeat.
మొక్కే కదా అని పీకేస్తే పీక కోస్తా.
మొక్కే కదా నీ పీకేస్తే
పీక కోస్తా.
Pika Costa. Okay.
This is a mass dialogue,
okay. Pika Costa. Okay.
It's a Chiranjeevi dialogue.
Okay.
So now you tell me your favorite dialogue from Kannada, which is Kicha Sudeep's your favorite
There's
hero.
a lot of it actually.
Okay,
Like-
sing a song for us, like,
Song
yeah,
in Kannada or Telugu?
both, if possible.
Telugu for me suddenly I'll like say Vachundai feelings, Vachundai feelings. Only that is coming to my head. But in Kannada, if I have to sing, then there's one favorite song of mine, movie of mine, and that it's the song is that ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ಕನಸೊಂದು ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆ ನೀ ಎದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ that song is it's from Milana.
Thank you so much.
I'm a very bad singer, but I tried my best.
You did
I'm
best
not
too.
even a bathroom singer. I'm worse than that. I'm very bad.
But you sang well,
Yeah,
really
thank
well,
you.
really well.
Thank
And you
you.
sang for me. Thank you
Yes.
so much for the audience. Yes.
Yes.
We accept it.
Thank
So
you.
I'm gonna ask you a question,
Mhm.
and I need your funny answer for
Okay,
that.
done.
Okay?
Yeah.
So that kind of a round.
Mhm.
What do you do when you stressed? I need a funny answer, guys.
What do I do when I'm stressed? I'll stand upside down.
Upside down?
Upside down.
Wow. Is it a yoga asana?
I don't do yoga at all.
Okay. What is the most unnecessary thing people show off?
iPhones.
Did you?
No, yeah, I really think everybody has one.
I'm not
Everybody
showing
should-
off, by the way. Only option I have. Okay, funny though. How do you return or reply back if someone disrespects you?
Block, delete, bye-bye.
That's a true
That's
answer.
what I
Like,
know, okay,
no,
I have
that,
to-
we want a funny answer.
I will, if somebody
Disrespects you.
disrespects me, I'll take hold of a pigeon. I will write back to that person, tie it to the pigeon and send it back saying, go and drop. If you don't poop on them and come, that's what I will do.
Oh my
That's
God.
what I will ask them to do.
Such a funny
I
revenge.
don't even know why it came to my head, but yeah.
Okay. So how do you calm yourself in stressful situation? How do you calm yourself?
How do I calm
I want a
myself?
funny answer. Reminding yourself.
Yes. How do I calm myself in a stressful situation? I think about the other stresses that I have so that I forget about this stress. But that other stress is there, which is more stressful, so I will stop thinking about this stress. Yeah.
Okay. So what's the one lesson life taught you in a hard way?
If I have to tell in a very funny way, then I will tell you the opposite answer of what you shouldn't do. It should, truthfully, you should not trust everybody.
Mm.
So, keep your distance, know your boundaries so that, before you can gauge a person, before you completely trust a person, you should be able to gauge the person and then you can trust the person.
Oh. So what is your biggest strength?
My biggest strength would be eating. My biggest strength and power would be that I can eat 3 silk bars at once without feeling sick or being like, oh, I can't eat chocolate anymore. I can eat 3 at one go in one sitting.
Oh
That's my
my.
superpower.
How do you maintaining yourself?
And then I won't eat anything for the rest of the day. I will go into so much guilt. I won't eat anything.
Oh,
But I
okay.
can eat. I can eat. If I choose, if I make up my mind to eat, I can eat.
You're
Yeah.
blessed in that way too.
Yeah.
Very nice, very
Thank
nice. This
you.
session got over.
Yes.
And one final question. If people had to watch Tammudu on July 4th,
Mhm.
what is the one thing you're gonna say?
It's going to be a Zabardast movie with, Zabardast cast, Zabardast action sequences, emotion, visuals, music, BGM, It's going to be a visual treat, theatrical experience. All of you have to come to the theaters and watch it for that experience, and you will definitely enjoy it for sure.
ఎస్ ఇఫ్ రత్న ఇస్ సేయింగ్ వీ హ్యాడ్ టు వాచ్.
Yes.
ఇన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి అంటే ఎవరమైనా మిస్ అవుతామా?
Yes.
అది కూడా నితిన్ గారి మూవీ తమ్ముడు July 4th. ఓకే, we are ready.
Yes.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
It was
much.
very nice conversation
Thank you
having
with
with
you
you.
too. Thank
Thank
you.
you.